Hey everyone, we are here at 224 South Oak in the city of Orange. We just closed escrow yesterday on this fourplex for $1,590,000. That was a record sale for this area, and one of the reasons why was this was a fully turnkey asset, 100% single story, 1 and 2 bedroom units. The gross rents were $9,500 a month, and it was really attractive to a buyer going in 5.25 cap rate at the purchase, and there's not a lot of deferred maintenance, if any at all. So the buyer comes in and gets immediate cash flow. What was great for our seller was that they got 99% of the asking price, and they were also able to get 2 30-day options to extend so they can go out and do a 1031 exchange. That was really important. That's some of the things that why we're hired to sell properties. Our team can run a process and really minimize any seller or buyer renegotiations. Buyers are always going to try to renegotiate the price most of the time. We were able to limit that in this process. We only were able to give up a $2,000 credit to the buyer for a water heater repair. Everything else, they bought it as is, where is, and paid the high watermark number. So overall, great job to our team in executing this sale, but it was also a win-win to the buyer. The buyer's able to get a great property. They don't have to sink in a bunch of cash, and they can just kind of clip some cash flow and enjoy the ownership of the property. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.